Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey, what's up, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you guys how I created this monochromatic look. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Now the first thing I always do is to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to brush them into place using this Beauty by DD eyebrow pencil. I am going to fill out my eyebrows. Now guys, this eyebrow pencil is a must for a Nigerian brand. Like, this eyebrow pencil is amazing. It made doing my eyebrows so easy. So I basically just used it to fill out my eyebrows, and then I went in with my concealer to kind of fix it up. So I just used my concealer to tidy up the bottom and the top, just basically cleaning it out and making it look more defined. Then I went in with a blending brush to blend out that concealer and just making sure it blends out really well, because you don't want halo brows. Then I went in with my foundation brush and I blended that concealer even more. This is going to make it easier to blend your foundation into the concealer. Then taking this Hagar and Esther pomade, I just went in to like tidy up my eyebrows. Any bit where I've blended the concealer into my eyebrows way too much, I just used this to carve it out even more. I love the way my brows turned out. Then taking some concealer, I am just going to go ahead and use that concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. We are only working with 3 eyeshadow colors. I went ahead and set that concealer with some Sacha Buttercup, and then I used a smaller brush to set the concealer under my brows. Going into my Morphe palette, this is the, I can't remember the name, I'm picking up that orange shade, and this is going to act as my transition color. And I just went ahead and blended that in very well using wind wiper motions and circular motions. I just blended that eyeshadow really well into my crease and as a transition color as well. Then taking some leftover concealer, I went ahead and just put that on. This is going to make the color I'm going to put on it stand out even more. Then I'm picking up this color and I am placing this on my lid all over. I made sure that this color, yeah, I packed it on, and it's just going to give it that vibrancy and allow it to stand out even more. Then I'm taking this kind of sandpaper shade from my BH Cosmetic Party Girl palette, and I am applying this as my brow bone color. Next up, I'm going to move on and do my face, and I am applying my primer. This is my The Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. I am applying this all over my face. I love this primer. Then I am going into my foundation. I'm using the MAC Match Master in the shade 9, and I like to apply my foundation nowadays in steps. So I use a smaller brush to apply the foundation on one side of my face, and then I go ahead and blend it in, and then I do the same to the other side of my face and then to my forehead. I feel like this makes the foundation look a bit more seamless and apply even better. Then taking my concealers, this is my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 12.5 and 13.5. The 12.5 is obviously lighter than the 13.5, but I like to mix them together because it gives me this perfect highlighting shade that isn't too out there and just looks really good. Then I went ahead and contoured while that concealer was sitting on my face, just to make it a bit more, you know, vibrant. Then I then went ahead and blended that concealer in, as you can see. And whenever I'm blending under my eyes, I take a smaller brush just to blend that concealer really close to my under eye, and then I use a bigger brush to blend everything in. Then I went ahead and set that concealer with some more Sacha Buttercup. I set my entire face using my MAC mineralized powder in the shade Dark Deepest, and I just used this to set my face. I didn't bake, I just went ahead and dusted all that powder off. Then I'm taking that shade and I'm going to apply this as my blush, and it just works really well. Then I'm taking the color I used on my eyelid and I'm applying that under my eyes. I am cleaning my eyeliner brush here because I just feel like when you start with a clean eyeliner brush, it allows you to apply your eyeliner a lot better. And I'm using my Inglot number 77 as my eyeliner. Then I went ahead and applied some eyeliner to my waterline, applied my mascara. I think this is the Maybelline mascara. Then I'm using lashes from Peak Mink Lashes on Instagram, and I love their lashes. And the one I applied was the bottom out of the set of 3 that I showed you, so the last one in that set. Then I went ahead and applied some mascara to my lashes to blend my lashes into the false lashes. Then I went ahead and highlighted with my favorite highlighter, of course. All the high points of my face I highlighted, and I was really liking the way this came out. Then guys, I realized that I didn't have a shade that matched my eyelid color completely. So guys, I'm going to show you a trick. So I took this lip liner that is a really close shade to the eyelid color. Then I went in with that eyelid color and I used it as a lipstick, guys. So I made sure that my lip was very well moisturized, and obviously the lip liner that I applied is going to give it a base for that eyeshadow to sit on, and it works so well. I went ahead and set my entire face with my MAC Fix Floss. And here is the final look. I really like how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to check out my channel, and I will speak to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.